I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Three Little Birds on electric guitar. Start with the A major chord, placing your fingers on the second fret of the D, G, and B strings. Then, move to D major, using the second fret on the G and high E strings, and the third fret on the B string. Finally, for E major, place your fingers on the first fret of the G string and the second fret of the A and D strings. Practice transitioning between these three chords smoothly. The core strumming pattern for Three Little Birds is quite straightforward. It's a down, up motion. Focus on keeping a steady, relaxed rhythm, letting the upstrokes feel light and bouncy. This pattern repeats for each chord, giving the song its signature laid-back, reggae groove. Practice slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. The song features a very recognizable two-note riff that adds a lot to its character. This riff is played primarily on the G and B strings. You'll typically play the second fret on the G string, followed by the second fret on the B string, then back to the G string. It's a simple, melodic phrase that repeats, fitting perfectly over the chord changes. Now it's time to bring everything together. Start by playing the chord progression with the strumming pattern. Once you're comfortable, integrate the iconic two-note riff at the appropriate moments. Remember, the song's essence is its relaxed, optimistic vibe. Don't rush. Enjoy the process of creating that classic reggae sound on your electric guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.